What's up, YouTubers? This is Swede coming out from Silver Lake, Los Angeles. And today we're doing a cool song, Ride Like the Wind. Christopher Cross. Yep. Alright, so standard tuning. Put a cape on 3, please. Alright, let's go. We got A minor shape. 1, 2, 3. We got G major. 1, 2, 3. F major 7. 1, 2, 3, 4. Open high E string. We also have in the pre-chorus we got a E minor. All right, and then we have that instrumental part, but let's talk about that when we get to it. So it starts with A minor. It's like a little melody there. It's open E, 3, open A. Actually play the A there. To G, A minor, to G. Okay, and then we have this, if you want to play that. So over A minor, you lift up your first finger, first fret, B string. And over G, you do the same thing. So that's the first verse, and then for the pre-chorus, F major to E minor, F to E minor. I like the wind. Second verse. Now we're gonna go to F. Second verse, they actually go to F. You do the same thing. Pre-chorus, F to E, F to E, A minor. So that part here, that's very cool stuff here. A minor. Can lift up the whole chord. Actually play A minor 7. So that's 2 fingers. 1, 2. So you move that A minor 7 shape up to here to 4 and 3, and then the last chord is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 and 5, D and B string. And then again. Now you start on the third chord instead. Go down. 3 times, and then we have. It's just going up from A minor, B over C. So keep your first finger where it is. And then hit 2nd fret A string to C major to D major. That's all the parts right there. All right, so just remember, intro A minor G, A minor G, and then first verse we just stay A minor G, A minor G. We don't go to the F, and then the pre-chorus F, E minor, F, E minor, and then second verse A minor G, A minor G, and then we go to F, and then G, and then pre-chorus again, and then to the instrumental part. And that repeats. Okay, thanks guys for tuning in. Lovely song, cool on the acoustic guitar. I'll see you tomorrow. Be safe. Thank you.